How to fix activity updates on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone. Now you have to open the app. You can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. Now at the bottom there are different options like home, friends, plus, inbox and the profile. You have to click on the profile that is present at the bottom and click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on the settings and the privacy. This type of screen will appear here. Click on the privacy option and you can see different options. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. We are going to know that how to fix activity updates on TikTok. Whenever you have to turn it on, you can see there is an option of the activity status. When you have to turn it on, you and your followers can you follow back will see each other's activity status. You will see each other's activity status only when both of you turn it on. In this way you can fix the activity status problem on TikTok by turning it on. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.